Drink this juice to remove mucus and cleanse the lungs naturally. Today, I will share with you a natural recipe to cleanse the lungs in case you are suffering from a cold or get mucus in your lungs. This recipe is also useful, effective, simple, and cheap are all that when it comes to this amazing drink. Furthermore, all ingredients are natural and most likely already available in your kitchen. Before going on to the recipe, we want to know your age and the country you are living in. Leave a comment below this video and we will provide the lung cleansing recipes using natural ingredients available in your country. Then, click the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell in order not to miss our next video. Firstly, you need to prepare 3 medium carrots and cut them into small pieces. Carrots are particularly good for the lungs as they contain beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, a vitamin shown to considerably reduce the likelihood of asthma. Carrots also provide a great help in the case of coughs, bronchitis, colds, and all kinds of respiratory issues. Due to the content of vitamin A and potassium, carrots can cleanse the lungs and reduce the risk of lung cancer. Now, place the carrots into a blender. Next, you need to prepare ginger. Although we've mentioned this before, the high anti-inflammatory properties of ginger cannot be ignored. These properties have in removing toxins from the respiratory tract naturally. That's the reason why ginger becomes one of the most widely used home remedies to cure cough and cold. Ginger also contains many vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, beta-carotene, and ginseng. Several studies have shown that certain extracts of ginger are also known to kill lung cancer cells. Now, take 1 piece of ginger about 2 centimeters and cut it into thin slices. Then, put the ginger into the blender. Next, you need to prepare 1 piece of fresh turmeric, about 2 centimeters, and slice it. In respiratory ailments, most people feel a strange heaviness in their chest, and this is due to the persistent congestion and inflammation in the air passage. Daily consumption of turmeric helps in reducing the inflammation in the air passage. Moreover, the presence of a compound called curcumin in turmeric helps in cleansing the lungs naturally and helps in detoxification of the body, which further helps in strengthening the immunity. Now, put the turmeric into the blender. Next, you need to prepare half a peeled grapefruit. Then, get the flesh off the membranes and put them into the blender. Vitamin C found in grapefruit is a significant vitamin in the reduction of mucus and serves as a powerful antioxidant, which helps protect the body from harmful free radicals in the air. Furthermore, vitamin C has been commonly linked with improving overall immunity and improving lung health. Finally, add 1 cup of water. Run the blender. To blend all ingredients until they form a homogeneous mixture. Pour the obtained mixture into a fine strainer and strain the juice out. Use a spoon and press the pulp to get as much juice as possible. Drink it immediately for maximum benefit.